When I got this boat, it had been sitting outside under cover with the plug installed for over a year, taking on rain that had nowhere to go. It accumulated in the hull and eventually was penetrating the floorboards. Because it was tilted, under the dash rotted the worst. I remember standing on the decking the first time and could feel how squishy it was. To fix the damage, I used an epoxy putty for the large cracks. It went on easily, and I used a putty knife to spread it around. After it dried, I was able to sand it. In a few cases, I added treated plywood where the rot was extensive. More liquid nails before epoxy and paint. Here you can see the repair under the dash. In order to strengthen the step-up area, I added a floor joist. On top of the epoxy putty, I used this epoxy sealer, which is more of a liquid that I could brush on using the cheap throwaway sponge brushes. This penetrates into the wood and stiffens it. After epoxy, it is on to painting using this Duralux Marine paint. I use this on all of the decking in the boat.